Hi everyone. So after a long time, I'm going to make a video. Yeah, after completing 100 days, it's been around 1 month, 1.5 month. Okay, not complete 1 month, at least something 25 days. It's been. So yeah, actually I'm doing it after completing. I started my study, but after that I paused because I was thinking, I have came so far, means related English journey. So there are little few things I should read. Then after that I will cover up everything. So why not? So let's do continue. So that's why I thought let's start to make first of all videos. Let's share our ideas, our journey, how we are going to do like planning, research, everything. Okay. So I did for 1 week research, and also my friends have also joined me. They also wanted to improve their English speaking, so we are going to do it together. Yeah, so I have only 2 3 friends, so we are going to do it together. So we did research little bit, where we are not good, where we are like we need to practice a lot, where we have to pay lots of attention kind of particular part of in English. So yeah, we found we are not good at grammar. Actually sometimes we make mistake, but it's okay. We don't need that much grammar skills for English speaking fluently, but we need. Okay. Yeah, so we found it, and we are going to do practice grammar things while talking to each other, everything like kind of this thing. So okay, let me tell you why I'm making this video. Actually I'm going to start again, means at least 75 days. Okay, means I was thinking, I have completed a 75 days challenge. Okay, and it's give me like some kind of confidence. So let's do it again, like again, why not again? So yesterday I was at evening, I was thinking these things in my mind. So I thought let's do it again, because everything needs time. Okay, 75 days, I think it's enough time to improve my English speaking. Okay, so yeah, it's a good thing, and I'm going to do it. And yeah, so yeah, already I have told you, means in my previous videos, my old videos, I wanted to become a fluent speaker. So a fluent speaker, so that's why I'm going to do it again with my friends, and we are going to build a perfect structure and perfect plan, uh, everything. So yeah, like these things. And also I wanted to share my lots of things, what I have done in these yeah, in these weeks, related English journey. Okay, so let's start with my introduction, because I've never introduced myself in this YouTube, because yeah, I just started making videos and I completed 75-day challenge and blah blah blah, etc. So but I never introduced myself. So this 75 days challenge, I'm going to start with my introduction. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, my real name is Ravi Shankar Gautam, and my nickname is Dev. So this channel name is Learn English with Dev. It's mean, yeah, it's my nickname. Why? Because everyone calling me by this Dev name, and also it's my. I really also like this name because I'm also a developer, as an engineer. I have been, so that's why I also like this name. So that's why I started to calling by myself also Dev. So but yeah, my real name is Ravi Shankar. So yeah, that's it. And also I just in last year I completed my graduation, and that's a long story why I'm not doing it right now jobs, because I found it's not my ikigai. Yes, it's true. Actually when I was in school, so that moment I was thinking, what should I do after 12th? Okay, so I thought let's do engineering. Why? Because that moment it's kind of pandemic time, so our IT industry like kind of grow in, means you have lots of opportunity, you will get job in IT industry, because every company needs IT those times, because everything became digitally. So that's why, so I also thought let's complete engineering, it's going to be worth it. So that's why I also choose. I didn't think that much, but after that, when I completed my graduation last year, I thought I really don't wanted to become, not because of I was poor in engineering, I was a brilliant student. Okay, my marks was good, and my result was genuinely good, and I learned as a coder. I became a good coder even. Okay, in my college, I'm not going to flex, but yeah, I was good at coding. I know how to build a product, I know how to do research development, everything I learned from books, from practically, by doing coding. I made lots of projects. Okay, so but I found I can't do it for longer because it's not my ikigai is something you wanted to do related to you, like these things. So when I was in school, I was have a dream, like I wanted to become an income tax officer. Okay, so that moment, I don't know, it's kind of government organization, organized by government, but yeah, I wanted to become an like income tax officer. But after after school, after college, after for degree, everyone, in Maharashtra, they were saying, yeah, governments think every student's now going towards government, it's kind of not good for your career, like these things. So I also, that's why I changed. I listen to my friends, I also join, I choose just blindly that subject. Okay, so yeah, these are the reasons actually. And then after that, I completed successfully. Okay, first year a little bit tough, then second year I started to paying attention. Then after that, I learned everything related coding, Java, everything, web developer, app developer. As a There are lots of opportunity, but yeah, I don't wanted to do it. Then yeah, let's forget about this thing. So yeah, this is my journey. So that's why I started, like after completing, I thought, let's try give a chance income tax officer. Okay, so let's give a chance last time, at least 2-3 attempts. Then after that, I love also teaching. I can do lots of things. Means for backup, I have lots of backup, but I don't wanted to think like kind of backup for preparing this thing. So that's why I'm learning English. Actually, it's kind of my passion. I wanted to become an English speaker and wanted to improve my English communication. So that's why I'm learning English. And side by side, I'm also preparing for SSC CGL. So that's how I'm going to become an income tax officer, right? So yeah, actually, and also I'm never share with anyone, means except my parents and friends. I've never shared with anyone my journey, my dreams, my life. Okay, so yeah, so first time I'm sharing with front of camera, and whoever going to watch this video, also to him. So yeah, these are the thing actually I wanted to do it. So yeah, so that's why I started making again, so I can learn by doing this English, and I can improve my English, because I wanted to do it. Because in income tax career, they also need like a good, yeah, first of all, it's nobody's completely, everyone needs English. Okay, they are talking like corporate job and professional jobs career, so they're talking each other English. So that's why I'm preparing so early. And also in my SSC CGL syllabus, English subject has also, so that's why I'm also, it's gonna help me to cover that subject. So that's why, yeah, because if you learn that subject entirely, you adapt it with your lifestyle, of course that's gonna be easy for you in examination, kind of this thing. Okay, so that's why. And yeah, I'm talking constantly because I have lots of things to say, and I have only 10 minutes to say. Why? Because I don't have any my battery charge in my phone. So that's why I try to cover everything whatever I wanted to tell you, and I wanted to record you. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying it like so fast. Okay, because I wanted to cover it. And there's anything left? Yeah, so that's why my friend and we thought we are going to do that for 75 days, this challenge. I still didn't told them we are going to do 75-day challenge, but after that I will tell them how we are going to do, and everything, day by day, week by week, everything we are going to cover it, from basics to from advanced. Because right now I'm little bit good, like after beginner, because I'm not beginner, because I know how to talk. I have confident while talking. I can talk to anyone. Yeah, I'm not good at like good in grammars, good in pronunciation, good in fluent, but I feel I'm good, like my own way. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to do intermediate to like before advanced somehow. I wanted to become an fluent, so that's it in 75 days challenge. And I did research, and I know myself where I'm not good, so I'm going to start improving in 75 days challenge. And then after that, yeah, I'm going to make videos. I will tell you my journey, how I'm going to do it, everything. Yeah, these are the things. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, bye, and see you in my another videos in future. Okay, and this video I'm making it but I'm going to start after 2-3 days, 75 days challenge. First of all, I'm going to tell my friends everything, planning everything, research. We are going to share our ideas, because I also need to hear them, what they were going to think about it. Okay, because I also want to them make videos like me, because if you're making a video, YouTube video, and so you're going to feel little bit confident. You can analyze your videos where you're making mistakes, because sometimes if we are talking with someone, that moment we can't pay that much attention whenever we make mistakes. So that's why videos formats are so good. You can analyze anytime, you can watch and view your videos anytime, and kind of it's a good memory you can make, right? So that's why I also wanted to share with them. You can also use these methods for improving your English. These are kind of practical things, and you don't need any partner, but we have people for talking or for discussing each other. So yeah, this journey is going to be so adventurous and lots of fun we are going to do, okay, by learning. So yeah, that's it. So bye, see you in my other videos, and yeah, lots of things. And again, I wanted to tell you, I'm not making this video for as a YouTuber. I wanted to become a YouTuber. No, I just making this video for myself, for so I can improve my English. And yeah, so that's why. And yeah, that's it. Bye, see you tomorrow on my next video.